livestock. Our region has a potential to be a breakbasket for this country. We have huge tracts of land and extensive watersheds and aquifers to expand agricultural production. What we need, Your Excellency, is an investment infrastructure such as mega dams and connection to the national grid. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, I sincerely appreciate the British government's generous support for this project we are launching today. The project is a testament to the importance of peace in driving sustainable development. Our region cannot progress and flourish without peace and stability. Furthermore, this project emphasizes the significance of good neighborliness and cooperation within Mandera Triangle. By working together, we can create an environment that fosters peace, understanding, and shared prosperity. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, as a county, we understand the importance of supporting national police reserves as a vital component of our security apparatus. The county government, therefore, have been providing necessary support to them to keep our county and country safe. Collaboration between the county government, law enforcement agencies, civil society organizations, and communities is crucial to achieve sustainable development and prevent radicalization of our youth. I thank all those organizations working in peace-building initiatives, such as Interpeace, for their continuous support. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, the project we are launching today, the Kenya-Somalia-Ethiopian Borderlands Project, is a cross-border endeavor to enhance peace, stability, social-economic development in the border areas between Kenya, Somalia, and Ethiopia. It recognizes the need for increased collaboration between these three countries, their local administration, and community residing along the borderlines. By integrating security, development, and peace-building efforts, this project seeks to strengthen the national response to insecurity, support local conflict resolution mechanism, and build individuals and communities' resilience against violent extremism influences. The project objectives are clear: to support effective policy and programming, strengthen formal and informal cross-border mechanism, and address the needs for our communities to mitigate the drivers of instability and violent extremism. Your Excellency, opening of the borders of Kenya, Somalia, and Ethiopia will mark a significant milestone in the regional development and facilitation of vital humanitarian support to communities affected by various challenges such as natural disasters, conflicts, and poverty. As we embark on this new chapter, let us embrace the opportunities ahead and harness the powers of collaboration to uplift our communities, promote sustainable development, and foster lasting peace and stability. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, our regions are top potential key to enhancing food security in our country. Therefore, we request the national government to prioritize resilience building efforts and capitalize on the abundant opportunities and resources present in northern Kenya. Empowering local farmers and agro-businesses in northern Kenya is crucial to achieving sustainable food security. As a country, as a county, we are doing our best with the limited resources at our disposal. Your Excellencies and distinguished guests, we are committed to working hand in hand with the national organization to ensure lasting changes beyond the project's lifetime. In conclusion, I extend my most profound appreciation to implementing partners, Adam and Smith, Danish Refugee Council, the Royal United Service Institute, for their commitment to this project. Together we will strive to achieve a future where peace and stability prevail, prosperity knows no borders, and where aspirations of our people are realized. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, I have only one more message from the people of Mandera. hii nitasema kwa Kiswahili. Walisema wanafurahi sana kwa serikali yetu ya Kenya Kwanza for the support they have done during the drought. Kuna ile maneno ya shares, kuna share ya aina mbili. Kuna ile shares ya primary shares and kuna ile ya corporate. Kama watu wa Mandera yetu ilikuwa corporate shares. You remember after IEBC baada walitangaza, sisi kama watu ya UDM ama watu ya Mandera na Marsabit tukakuja Karen, hata wabunge wetu wote na masenators wote, ndio tulikuwa na majority members in county assembly na majority members in senate na majority members in council of governors. Walisema ile share ulikuwa umeangalia juzi ni ile ya tarehe 9, lakini kuna ile ya baadaye ni mingi pia, because ni sisi ndio tuliamua kwa KK kwa majority members of parliament.